Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. You're watching Newsprint and let's look at the updates that are making the headlines today. The Israeli military has released footage showing hostages being taken to the Gaza's largest hospital following deadly attacks by the Hamas on October 7. According to the military spokesperson, a soldier was killed in the incident. CCTV footage dated October 7 shows armed individuals with one hostage appearing to resist and another shown on a stretcher. Israel asserts that a tunnel, purportedly a Hamas command center, was discovered at the site, a claim denied by Hamas. Since October 7, Israel has attacked Gaza relentlessly, killing at least 13,000 people who are mostly civilians. Arnold Dix, an international tunneling expert and the head of the International Tunneling and Underground Space Association based in Geneva, has reached the disaster site in Uttarakhand. Following an assessment of the accident location, Dix commended the rescue team's substantial efforts to ensure the safety of the trapped workers. He emphasized the extensive preparation undertaken before implementing the rescue plan. Simultaneously, the Defense Research and Development Organization has dispatched two ground-moving robots weighing 20 kg and 50 kg, potentially aiding the ongoing rescue mission. The government has proposed a national pharmacy register containing information about all pharmacy professionals as part of a draft bill intending to revoke the Pharmacy Act that has existed for nearly 75 years. The proposed legislation also seeks to replace the Pharmacy Council of India with a national commission, uploaded on November 10 by the Union Health Ministry. The draft National Pharmacy Commission Bill 2023 is open for public comments. The primary objectives of the draft bill include enhancing access to the quality and affordable pharmaceutical education, ensuring the availability of competent professionals nationwide, promoting universal healthcare, and making the services of pharmacy professionals accessible to all citizens. In a shocking incident near Sindagi bypass in Vijayapura city, former Zilla Panchayat President and Congress leader Veena Kashyapanavar met with a serious accident. The mishap occurred when a car swerved to avoid hitting a bike and instead collided with another vehicle. Both the occupant of the car and the biker sustained injuries. Veena Kashyapanavar has been admitted to the Vijayapura local hospital for medical treatment. The accident falls under the jurisdiction of the Vijayapura Traffic Police Station. Further details about the incident are still awaited. A first information report has been filed against Sangati Venkatesh, a former BJP corporator, on charges of assaulting auto drivers in Bengaluru. The incident reportedly occurred in a response to the posters displayed by the auto drivers on their vehicles expressing dissent against BJP MP Tejasvi Surya's endorsement of carpooling. Allegedly, supporters of the corporator attacked the auto drivers and threatened them over the removal of the critical posters. Sam Altman and Greg Brockman, former CEO and president of OpenAI respectively, have been appointed by the Microsoft to head a new team focused on advanced research in artificial intelligence, announced Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft. This development follows Altman's recent termination from OpenAI. Meanwhile, OpenAI's board has appointed Emmett Shear, former chief of Twitch, as the new CEO, going against investors' demands to reinstate ousted Sam Altman. The International Cricket Council has announced the team of the tournament for the 2023 Cricket World Cup, featuring 6 players from the Indian cricket team. Rohit Sharma has been designated as the captain of the team, with other Indian players including Virat Kohli, KL Rahul, Ravindra Jadeja, Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Shami. Alongside the Indian cricketers, the lineup comprises Quinton de Kock from South Africa, Daryl Mitchell from New Zealand, Australian all-rounder Glenn Maxwell and spinner Adam Zampa, as well as Sri Lanka's fast bowler Dilshan Madhushanka. Gerald Coetzee from South Africa has been named the 12th man for the team. The special recognition for contribution to Bharatiya Cinema Award will be bestowed upon Bollywood actress Madhuri Dixit at the 54th International Film Festival of India, as announced by the Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Anurag Thakur on Monday. The 2023 edition of the film festival commences today with a ceremony at the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium in Goa. Additionally, Madhuri Dixit is set to showcase a medley of her blockbuster songs during the event. Well, that's it for today. For more latest news and updates, you know what to do. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital and also please do comment and engage with us.